doing here, I'm starting to weld up this seam some more, and I've got to shape some of this in. So part of it, the original floor, is going to come to the new floor, and then I've got to work on the tunnel some, but just trying to get some of this filled in and finished. And then I made a plate for the back of this gas pedal, and that basically matches. I put some shoulders on there and stuff so that it would all sit up flush, and then this is going to go right in here. Well, you probably can't see it on the camera, but I have one of these panel clamps down here on this side, and so it's hitting the pedal there, so I can't really get a good idea of exactly where that needs to go yet. So I'm just going to try and finish up the floor, and then we'll get to the gas pedal.
Hey guys, just wanted to get back with you. Still have some t-shirts, large and extra large, gray and black, with the, I'm not even wearing one, but with the Allison Customs logos. Also have sweatshirts. I think I have large, and if I get enough orders, I'll order some extra large or whatever other size somebody would want. And I have the, back to having some of the fire resistant work shirts with just the embroidered logo. There's nothing on the back, but it is a long sleeve. You see me wear them around the shop. They're great because they resist the sparks pretty well. They will eventually burn through, but because they're not fireproof, they're just fire resistant. But great work shirt, and they're fairly heavy, so they kind of give you a nice, almost a jacket feel. So this is just a short trailer, going to be added on to other videos, just as a reminder please, if you're using Amazon anyway, check our store. If there's something you see that I use quite often and you wanna buy one, would like a link to it, let me know. I'll throw it up on the page. Amazon, going through the Amazon Associates store page costs you nothing extra. It just supplies a little bit of income to the channel. And of course, as always, please like and subscribe on YouTube here. Links for the shirts and everything will be in the description of the videos. And I hope you guys have a great year. We'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.